Hello, where are you from? Where are you from? Russia? Are you from Russia?
Нет, Kazakhstan.
Kazakhstan? Are you from Kazakhstan?
Да.
Okay, already I have followed you. Already I have followed you. Where are you going right now? Where are you going right now? Okay.
Я не понимаю.
Please try to speak English because it is an international language. Try to speak English so that I can understand you. Really?
Нормально.
Most of the time you speak in Russian language. Kazakhstan? Most of these speak.
Да.
Oh, Russian language. Okay. Just how are you? How are you? This sentence, how do you say in Russian language? How are you? This sentence, how do you say in Russian language? Please tell me.